on the floor. But does it get up and go if you wanted to?
Well, it would, but Miatas are some of the slowest cars.
Yeah.
Like I can.
Oh. Hold on. Let me hear it. I feel the vibration, boy. You're literally on the floor.
I don't know. I might not be able to fit $1 under there.
Let's see. No, that's crazy. No, that's crazy. Static Nick in the building. What's good, y'all? Today we back here with another banger video. All right, today, y'all, we got a Miata. We got it. Well, hey, look, we got in the car review. All right, y'all, we're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Picture for it, but we're in Gat, right? But y'all, we got a homie Miata sitting on the floor. Like, come on. Look how much clearance. Okay, yeah, like literally zero clearance. Can't fit my whole head, like anything, right? Bro, how you doing, bro? What's up? How you doing, man? Clean Miata, bro. Like, bro, everything about it is just, like, you're literally on the floor.
I don't know. I might not be able to fit $1 under there.
So let's see. No, that's crazy. No, that's freaking crazy.
It's like that with my wheels too. Oh, it cleared on that side. Yo,
This is crazy. Nah, so look, basically, like, what I do, I will go ahead, ask you some questions about the car scene, your car community, your car, and get you some rolling, all right? Put together a little montage. Y'all, we're here in Tennessee doing car reviews, all right? So y'all, please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications if y'all are new. Let's go and get right into this video. Alright, you guys, so golly, I gotta bend over there. Nah, first Miata on the channel. Actually, really spacious in here though. I actually thought the Miata was gonna be like really kind of small.
It is, I mean, it's got more room than you'd think.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Alright, yeah, let's go ahead and let's get it. I've always liked these Miata, bro. Like they're literally, yeah.
This is the second one I've owned.
Yeah.
I had one. I bought it a year ago.
Yeah.
And then a couple months ago, in I think it was July, it blew up randomly. It was a perfect Miata. I don't know what happened.
What?
So I swapped the engine in my driveway, just like during the hurricane too.
Yeah.
So I did that and then took it for a test drive, and it blew up on the test drive in 5 minutes.
No.
So I just ended up selling it and buying this one, and I've had this one for a month.
He's on the floor.
Yeah, it's a little low.
Alright, so first and foremost, what would you say would be the best and the worst thing that you like about the car?
Best thing, I don't know, it's really fun to drive. It's small.
Yeah.
It feels like a little go-kart driving down the road.
Yeah.
It gets a lot of attention.
Yeah.
It's so easy to build. Like,
really?
The engine, it's like 2 volts and you can just lift it.
Really?
It's so dope, yeah. And then, worst thing, I get stuck like 3 times a day.
Really? And what do you have, what's the process to get out of that? Like,
either 2 things. I guess I got 4 tow hooks on it.
Yeah.
So I just get it towed out by one of my buddies.
Yeah.
Or I jack it up to the wheel, like just a wood under my wheel.
oh, okay.
It'll fix it right up.
Okay. Bro, you're golly, boy.
It's not supposed to be this loud.
Bro, it don't even matter, bro. It don't even matter, bro.
On the way here when I was driving, because I drove this thing here from Charleston, my mid-pipe fell off.
Really?
Yeah. So I got no exhaust on this thing.
Oh, shoot. So you just have, what, only the
cat.
God, okay.
But my cat's also got like 3 holes in it from hitting rocks.
Yeah. Okay. So with the Miata, why did you decide to go with this model?
Actually, so when I was first getting into cars, like I didn't know jack shit, and I was gonna get a Prelude.
Yeah.
I had a buddy with a Miata who lived in Florida.
Yeah.
And he was like, "Yo, you should just get a Miata because I know how to build it." So I was
Yeah.
like, okay, sure. And I mean, I never learned anything from him, so I just bought it. Messed with it for a year, and I loved it so much. I was like, okay, I have to get another one.
Yeah.
It's the best thing ever. So it's really like a curse. Once you get a Miata, you're stuck with it.
Right. So what would you say got like what would you say what got you into the car scene? Like
Hot Wheels when I was a kid.
Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
And honestly, that's the same thing for me. Hot Wheels.
Love cars.
Yeah.
I used to love going to monster truck shows.
Yeah.
And I don't know what got me into low cars.
Right.
Something did. So
yeah. So would you say I know you say you built your car more for style, not speed, obviously.
Right.
But what would you say if there was a person building Miata? What would you say what advice would you give them to, you know, maybe look out for something that you didn't know when you first started building your Miatas?
Let's see. Well, with my first one, I want to do like a wide body kit, so I put the fender flares on it.
Yeah.
Worst mistake I've ever made. It makes it so hard to find good wheels. And you can't repair the rear quarter panels.
Yeah.
You can't take them off. You just got to get someone to like cut it and weld it, and it's really hard to do.
Dang, bro.
And then shoot, wheel specs. Right now I have no tilt. It's all natural camber, and it fits 8 by God, what is it? No, 16 by 8.
Yeah.
0 offset perfectly.
Really?
Perfectly.
God.
Also, you're gonna want AC and a hardtop. When you're buying a Miata, buy one with the hardtop because they are so hard to find.
Yeah.
And it's a game changer.
Yeah. That you looked up to in the car scene that maybe got you into the car scene? Was there anybody that you looked up to in that matter?
Absolutely.
Who?
My friend, his name's Ryan.
Yeah.
Go follow him on Instagram. It's Mizus, M-I-I-Z-U-S. He helped me build this one and my last one. Did everything with me. Stayed up every night with me till 4 a.m.
Dang, bro. Hey, that's dedication though. I'm not gonna lie, that's dedication.
He's got me all the style. It was his idea for the two-tone. He helped me find the wheels.
Yeah, that two-tone is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Silver with the beige, that two-tone is crazy. Let me ask you. I know you're on the floor, but does it get up and go if you wanted to?
Well, it would, but Miatas are some of the slowest cars.
Yeah.
Like I can.
Hold on. I'm not gonna lie. Let him get some space. Let him get some space, cause hey, that's a day. That kick up is crazy.
I mean, it's all right.
Yeah, if you want to, get over it a lot. Yeah. I want to hear that. I want to hear that.
Yeah, that happens a couple times. There's another Miata right over there. That one's dope.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, you might have the most on the floor Miata I've ever seen, bro.
My friend that's in the cabin right next to us.
Yeah.
My front's lower than him, but his rear is lower than mine.
Oh, okay.
So he's always been lower than me. I just have, because this is like recently lowered.
Yeah.
So I have more frame.
Yeah. Okay.
He scraped all of his frame off.
Okay. So what would you say would be one thing that you love and you hate about being in the car scene?
I love everything about it, literally everything.
Yeah.
The people, well, I mean, there's a couple people that are really just not fun to be around.
Yeah.
But for the most part, everyone's really involved. The only downside of it is money.
Money.
That's it.
Okay, that's different. I ain't heard that answer before.
Really?
So how much? Just a rough estimate. How much money would you say you have put into this car?
This one alone?
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of hard because I took like the wheels, the hardtop, and all that stuff off my old one.
Yeah.
In total, for the two that I built, I've spent around $30,000.
$30K on a Miata?
Yeah, not the best thing in the world, but like,
nah, that's
like,
crazy.
With all the parts I like accumulated over time, I used to have like a roll cage, the full roll cage in my own car. Do not get a roll bar in your Miata unless you track it, because it makes your seatbelts unusable. You can't see behind you, no head space, no space back here. Yeah,
y'all see I barely get hair space here.
It's terrible. I wanted one for style, and it was like the most inconvenient thing on the planet.
Yes. Okay, look, so I got a controversial question, okay?
Yeah, I got you.
There's a new thing going around as far as wheels and coils are not a build. How you feel about that phrase in the car scene?
Which one?
How you feel about that people say wheels and coils are not a build?
I mean, not really a build. I don't know. I don't really care either way.
Yeah.
If you got wheels and coils, you're doing your thing.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it's dope.
Yeah.
I hear all this argument about reps versus.
Yeah.
I used to be on reps. I don't hate it. It's just like.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just don't like go and disrespect somebody else.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, your style may not be their style.
Yeah, if you're gonna do your thing, do your thing.
Yeah.
There's a really dope Miata right here.
Coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's dope.
I like that.
Like he's on some reps right now, but it still looks clean as fuck.
Right.
He's got the Tupperware kit.
Oh shit. Let me hear it. I feel the vibration, boy.
It's bad.
Yeah, I love it, bro. Like, it's on the ground, bro.
It is on the ground. I can't go over reflecters.
Oh, really? Yeah. Your whole thing was. Here, try it again. Oh, let him get you on a flyby. Nah, bro. You feel everything, bro.
Yeah. You do feel everything. It's not a great. It's a little. It gets worse.
On the floor is crazy.
Yeah, but I mean it's polyurethane, like a PVD kit, so it flexes. It came rolled up.
Oh, okay.
It can scrape the ground. I've scraped a lot of it off already. The whole bottom of it is missing.
Oh, okay. So my last question to you, okay?
Yeah.
How do you feel in the car scene about cars that are So we just the tow truck going the wrong way, full speed, like
that was crazy.
How you feel about people building cars like to completion and then selling them off to other people and then other people buying it just how it is?
Well, I actually know a kid like that. He just buys a ton of cars. Right? I mean, he's 14.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't have a problem with it. Just don't claim to. It's always so much more fun. I wouldn't recommend buying a built car because it's so much fun to build it yourself and be like, wow, I did that.
Right.
It's a different feeling.
Right. And then seeing your work drive around. Yeah. So let me ask you. So we finna hit this U-turn right here. You have full lock. I think with a 3-lane, you may.
I can make, no, I do, but I tore my fender up. I don't care though. I'll make it. It's just ripping my tire up. I can still sling this thing.
All right, we're finna see.
But I'll just make it.
Finna see.
I can make it one lane.
All right.
It's just you're gonna hear the rub pretty bad.
Hey,
if you want to show my fender after,
yeah,
I literally.
Let me see. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it wow. I'm gonna do it wow. Doing crazy speed, but for you to be on the floor and be able to go that fast, bro, like that's crazy.
Nah, these things are really slow. I'm really not going that fast.
Yeah,
it feels fast.
But that's what. But it's like even what you're hitting 30. You know, like maybe that's what I'm saying. You're on the floor, bro. Like you wouldn't expect the car on the floor to be going that fast, you know. So, but yeah, bro. Look, I want to appreciate your time. All right, thank you for coming out, giving us your opinion about the car scene, your car, giving us the information about your car. Okay, you wanna shout out your Instagram for everybody going to go?
Yeah, I got
that want to go follow you.
So my Instagram is Virgo57. I got it right on the side of my car.
All right. So y'all please make sure y'all go follow.
God, look at that.
That was the van. The van is crazy. But y'all please make sure y'all go follow, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.